Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Mibao G2 to your Android smartphone app Cloud Edge. And to do this, first let's take a look on our camera. Here I have it powered onto the power source, and the indicator flashes right here, and that means the camera is on. And next thing which is necessary before connecting is to put on the micro SD card here in this slot. I would also recommend clicking on the reset button and holding it for 5 seconds till you hear this sound, and the camera should restart. Now we can open our app, click on add device. Here I would go for a power plug camera. You can go through the steps on the tutorial. I already did it. So here it's connect to the Wi-Fi network, and it needs to be the 2.4 network because it won't work on 5G. So be sure to connect to 2.4, enter the password, and now go to the next step, click OK. Here we need to pick up our phone and click on next. Here we can see the QR code, so make sure to scan it with the camera, put it like this, so this camera will scan the QR code. So it just made this sound again, and that means it scanned the QR code successfully. We can move to the next step, and right here wait till the camera is added. And now it's added successfully. We can move to the next step and proceed with installation. So right now there's a network diagnostic and Wi-Fi signal is strong, so that's fine. Some install tips if you need them. Here you can change the name for your device, choose a family for it, and select a specific room for the camera to be put in. Here I have a living room, bedroom, door and backyard, so let's go with living room. Move to the next step, click on next, got it. And from now on the camera will be connected to your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.